As we all know,
Biggest crisis that we are facing right now. Because of this, there are dead patches on the sea. In Delhi itself, there are 5 dump of plastic. We don't have enough spaces to dump this plastic. Even they are everywhere, whether it's land, soil, or plastic. So what is the solution? The solution is plastic eating bacteria, major solution to a global crisis. So I am Ankita from BSc Medical, ST College Barnala is here to give my presentation on plastic eating bacteria. Now, first of all, let's see India's plastic pollution crisis. As we know that our condition is severe. We produce 9.3 million tons every year. Can you imagine 9.3 million tons? We produce 26,000 tons per day, and Delhi itself contributes 9,600 metric tons per day. We are aiming 5th position in management index. Delhi is the main contributor of this. It produces 4.13 million tons in year 2022 to 2023. 60% of waste lands in what? Rivers. The Yamuna and Ganga are the main sources of plastic pollution in rivers in our ocean. Now, what are plastic-eating bacteria? These are specialized microorganisms that have evolved unique enzymes capable of breaking down the tough chemical bonds of synthetic plastic. The first plastic that bacteria that was discovered was Adenoma.
Projector also. हिम्मत न बुलाया क्यों सर आप लोग बैठिए प्लीज Start.
So the plastic bacteria that was first discovered was Idonia sediment. It produces specific enzymes that are base and MHCase. Now, this bacteria was first discovered in Japan in the PET factory. It produced two enzymes, PETase and MHCase. PETase include M5 motif, that is a fingerprint that was found in PET. PET. What is PET? It is polyethylene trifluoride. Now, India has also discovered this bacteria, and that is named Metabacillus niapilis. It was found in Gujarat. It was mainly for ocean waste. Now, how this bacteria works? First of all, it attached to the plastic surface. But how it is attached? First of all, this bacteria has flagella, which transport to the plastic and attach to it by adhesion properties and make biofilms. Then it produces PETase, which break down PET and from MHCT, and then it further releases MHCase, which break down into and then this TE goes inside the bacterium, and then it produces energy, carbon, water, and its other biomass. Now, what is the latest breakthrough? In year 2024, there was wastewater discovery, and then we discovered plastic to silk. Pseudomonas convert this plastic into silk that is very of high quality. Then oceanic species in 2025, discovery of marine bacteria with enzymes involved to digest PET. And then in 2025 itself, there was commercial speed, that is fast discovery. Now, what are the application and future of bioremediation? First of all, industrial recycling. Stable enzymatic depolymerization plants that break down PET bottles into virgin quality monomers for recycling the loop. Then landfill bioremediation. Inflating landfill sites with engineered bacterial colonies to accelerate the degradation of accumulating plastics. Then ocean cleanup. Deploying marine adapted microbes on floating bioreactors to target microplastics, and then wastewater treatment. Integrating natural occurring plastic eating bacteria into sewage. Treatment plants to capture and digest microfibers. Then upcycling. Bioengineering pathways to convert plastic waste directly into high-value products like silk. Then India policy. As you all know that India produces 9.3 million tons. So can you imagine how much silk it can produce annually? Now, what are the challenges ahead? As you know, bacteria can only processing soap, so it is a major problem. It can not only because of bacteria, we can also help by recycle, reuse. Now, with the end, I want to say that we can also share with using jute bags or cloth bags. We are also responsible for this plastic waste, so we must use jute bags and etc. Thank you.